My name is Henriette Noor, and my question is, as converts, how can we help our families understand or accept our faith?
How did you accept Ahmadiyyat?
I read a lot on Al-Islam and also the books from the Jamaat.
So the same method you can apply for the conversion of your relatives and your family members. First thing is that, are they interested in religion? If they are just indifferent about religion, then how can you force them? You must read about religion. But if they are interested in religion on their own, and they ask you some questions, then you can show them the links of Al-Islam and Jamaat's literature and the books which you read and that influenced you. So you can use the same method as you used for yourself. Right?
Yes.
Okay?
Jazakallah Azur.